What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up to yourself, man. Welcome to the channel, my people. You don't know, say the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you don't know, say the big thing at Jamaica now, you know. Ensure, yo, me say the nyamming thing upon a new level, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, the Svcking and the nyamming thing upon a new level. Because, yo, ensure. But right about now, my people, ensure seem to get a real competition. No, man. Supligen boots you up. Some viewers and subscribers. Video go sent to the attacking boss, you know, my people. Yeah, man, video go sent to my people. And in this video, basically, my viewers and subscribers in our bar, you know, we look a local bar, them at Jamaica, my people. Well, me see want something lie down basically upon 3 stools. You get me? I say, no top on, so you can see tits and everything, you understand? Yeah, man, you can see the navel ring in there and too much big belly, big bang. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, no disrespect, still the big and the bang for true. You know what I mean? Then the 2 foot open, my people. Yes, something well shave up and well clean up. No joke about it. Of course, me, man, I'm looking. NEWLINK is looking. You know what I mean, my people? Then, when me look, me see one head between it, my viewers and subscribers. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Eating breakfast, eating lunch, eating dinner, and going for supper. Well, it's something look like a human, you know, people. No joke about it, but one thing me can say, man. Oh, you favor my strat, man? Oh, you favor mus, Jaja sees, Jaja know when you look upon it, my people. Over the side, basically it a drink rum and boom. Rum and boom the pan counter. And Supligen boots it up because you have a brother now. Zane, who come with us, so while it have the head, done this do it to do my people with breakfast, lunch and dinner, supper in a one. You have a brother now, I don't know who him if I money him pay for him do this or whatever go on, but him have the Supligen pouring it. And the woman is dear people, no hide, no face a show, but Supligen been pouring it. So him a pour the Supligen on it while my strat did the lick. Eh? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Mr. People, I don't have no problem with nobody eating. I mean, I do what them want to do. I don't have a problem. I would never attack nobody. You understand? But when me say is people, is how them are do it. You get me? How them are do it. The methods of how they doing it, my people. Because, yo, this is a woman number one. She don't respect herself, you know, my viewers and subscribers. No respect for yourself or for what go on, my people. No respect. You see? Because number one, she not hide her face a show. My strat did him no business, him no care because rum and boom don't turn up in her head already, my people, knock up. You understand? So while it did all it do, I just go and eat and go and eat and eat, my people, while him a drink, I like he hungry too, you know. So you know that is Supligen they are sweet him with that taste, you know, with the ranking sitting there. And it's Supligen are one together, my people. What kind? All of them digest and him belt and go burp. Yeah? Oh my bird, oh my precious NEWLINK. That must smell ting to rotted. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Jamaica, my people, my country. Them say, as me tell them say what? Eh? Them a deal with what? Ensure, but as me tell you now, my people, ensure out of business. You see what them are using now? Me say ensure finish. The new thing what they are using now, my viewers and subscribers, is Supligen. Both of them tongue up. Tongue well turned up, well teeth up in her mouth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, next thing, people. Another video sent to the attacking boss. You know, me a talk about them, my people. So, you want to see video? Yes, me know my followers they want go. Me know the loves them something, I understand. But if you not follow me IG, and not everybody on IG will get access to it. You follow. You get me? I say, but if you follow the IG, you get me? I say, make me see you follow it, and you don't know the thing, a few people will get it. Link up. Follow the IG, make a NEWLINK Production official attacking boss. Go over there and follow it because we have the video. Them, all of them. See? So next video, my people, when me see now, And this one is totally different. Well, basically, I want party a yard in my people. See? I don't know exactly when, but it look like when Corona finished, nobody needed a mask. Only people in a mask is the man who is working it and who getting his banana, eating it. Well, so, party a go on. Basically, sound a play my people. Party. But them are do live XXX in the party pan cardboard box. So this woman you know my people. She did that. Take out the banana, the cucumber, and she's peeling it, my people. Yeah, man, she had go on pan it and deal with it, my way. See, the same thing then they know that the man they know, my people. Him done then a film black mask by facing my people. Then two so she detect the dumb something there, my people. Yeah, the dumb something there. And she put it on because she eat the banana without skin in my people. But when she ready to deal with the banana, you know, to digest the banana and take in the banana, my people, in her system, she comes a boom and she make the skin stay upon it. She put on the skin upon it. You understand? Yes. So while that I go on my viewers and subscribers, she tell her the truth now. She take it and she start work it, and my boy you work it. He matter. Yes, he might work it, my people. You know we are talking about work. He might work it, man. People in the party I say yes. We have some on the side and them a look for basically people can't tell us that them I wish I did them I do it, but you know some of them not be a face so if they do it in a public, but them I wish them could have hold the cat it strong up to it, my people, yes. And she not look mad to me, you know, so here well doing there something there. But when the man did the beat, I'm a tabbing up him, a tab. Then selector make a sound and I say, yes, go on the people that dash money pan them and thing $100. When we want $50 money, I dash a grung and thing and man I say, go and beat it, man. Go and lace it up, you understand? And while him a beat it, while him a lace it, then the man I say, mass man, if it big wave your hand, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. When selector say mass man, if it big, and the fastest I say mass man wave him at me people. Mass man hold up here and wave your rocky stuff, it tell us say it big. Eh? Because number one, woman, he must make picture, you know, because you is a woman where just work it. That have maybe an ambition for going to a party and do them performance thing. Because I remember when we did younger, you know, my people used to go some party, you know, and then something I used to go on live in a party for you know, no joke about it, you understand? But as me can tell my viewers and subscribers, them man nowadays, boy, and them woman nowadays, boy, them not have no, I don't even know if it's say it, my people, eh? They no business, boy, nothing, my people, no pride. It come like pride gone and can't find hide. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers are the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, man. And giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. You understand? I'm thanking you for the love, the support, the like, the share, and the comments, them, my people. You don't know for the new viewers and the new subscribers, them all over the world, man. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know without you could have the attacking boss, now, my people. So, all I can say, love you all. And keep it going, keep it flowing. You understand? And remember, people, a one team in a one scheme, a one gym, and a one O, one attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Big up on yourself. Don't know the thing go. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack them NEWLINK. I'm out. Blessings.